Hello, YouTubers. Wonderful evening it is today, although I am kind of hungry. My dad's fixing dinner. Anyway, I promise you part two of table fan modification, explaining how I did it. Well, we'll need to dismantle the fan a little bit. When a fan pivots, you'll need to take that completely apart. And I said completely. Springs. You'll need to take the metal out. And depending on the fan, you'll need to do a little bit of cutting. You'll see it where it's needed. You'll figure it out real quick where it's needed. It speaks for itself. Do not put the spring back in. But the metal thing that looks like a little V, that will be needed to increase the tension to keep the fan head upright once you place it on the wall. Then what you need to do is take the bottom of the base off, and yes, I said off, and drill a hole for the screw. And you can also drill a hole for the cord too, but that's a whole nother story. It's easiest to do just the hole for the screw. And that's really all there is to it. Just a little bit of cutting and take the fan head off the base, and that's really all there is to it. It's literally that easy, YouTubers. So if your fan collection is taking up space and you want to put it on the wall, that's all there is to it. I'm dead serious. I'm not shitting or anything. That's all there is to it. It literally speaks for itself. I mean, it's that easy. Thank you, YouTubers. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and share. Because I'd like to get this modification out there for others to see. Thank you, YouTubers.